Welcome everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here once again. We're continuing our video series related to technical and price analysis. Today is the 13th of September and we're looking forward to talking about Cardano, which is having a good time basically. Unfortunately, it is the only cryptocurrency compared to the others that is having the past 7 days sitting on red color, which means that it has downtrended and it has been losing in price. Yeah, overall speaking, for the month, it is not that bad as it used to have its increase a little bit earlier than what the others have been able to put into. So we're actually having a crypto market cap increasing of 1% today, and this is where we're sitting above $1 trillion for the whole space. Now Cardano definitely has a quite of a weird behavior because it has been pumping much earlier than the others, then slowing and cooling down on the piece. This is where we are with the charts and market. It's a very interesting situation out there. So I'd like to address a couple of things. We've been having a rough time around 6th and 7th of September. Those rough times were compiled by having a significant sell-off generated by our major resistance line of the top. That's a trending resistance line established back in the day, somewhere around 20th of August, that punished around 6th of September so aggressively that the markets had needed to dip down more than 11%. But then the recovery was amazing as the first higher low that we set into generated a convergence, and that convergence has been purchased heavily into the market, driving us above 50 cents, much higher actually. So if I measure from the bottom here to the top, we actually printed 15.64%. Not that much like Ethereum did, which was more than 20% during 3 days. But let's not forget the fact that Ethereum needs to deal right now with the merge, and that is raising the bar so high that a lot of the attention and spotlight is on the cryptocurrency. So that makes it to be purchased heavier than the others and traded heavier on the long side than the others. So that is making sense on that space. Now, you broke out everything. There's been massive resistances all around the place, yet we've been able to successfully climb up and stay above the median line of the trend. This is a channel that we've been able to establish since of 20th of August, and we're still in this channel that is basically moving upwards. Yet you have 3 lines: the resistance line at the top, the median line in the middle, and then the support line at the bottom. So you've been able to do this with great confirmations already. There is plenty of data confirming the significant points that we can rely on and trade on. So back in the day, on 9th of September, we're having a good time basically, successfully finding support on our line, and then obviously the traders have been speculating and they've been trading longs on this structure. 7% printed, we got into the resistance, and we've been facing the organic and natural movements of retracements. However, it was a great opportunity of scalping and trading at Cardano, which is something basically that we have performed, especially in our trading. And by the way, we have this commission trading through API. What do I trade for myself? We also trade for our clients. More information you can find out at the end of the video. As well, we have the one-to-one coaching for anyone out there that values education and think that it's behind every single success. Make sure to watch this video till the end to find out more. Now, getting back to our story, we've been able afterwards to have a zigzag movement that is very difficult to be handled by the day traders, due to the fact that there is no continuation of any trend, and the zigzag usually takes out a lot of the non-experienced people, which is the downside of the zigzag, right, for the non-experienced guys out there. It simulates a kind of a move that is about to take place on a high level and scale and volatility, which then is not going to be completed. So in other words, it wants to go in a direction which then reverses right at the starting point of pump, or vice versa. It wants to go down, it does the first move, and then at the time it's supposed to accelerate, it actually reverses. So that's the problem with zigzags. At the time it's supposed to accelerate, it reverses, which takes out a lot of the day traders, especially with the volatility of Cardano. I'm definitely suggesting you to have very, very good skills in day trading in order to do this with Cardano. Much better on swing for anyone interested. But then you got support here. Now, it's very difficult for me to talk about a median line representation because I can very easily go with this like that and it still would be accurate. So we're actually, and I would better say that especially if we're sitting on the 50 cents, I think we are on the median line support right now. We're not below. And I'd like to share with you that there is plenty of wicks and reactions there on the hourly. So there's about 5 candlesticks that printed wicks, which is clearly showing buying pressure existent. That means we're not below the median line, we're actually sitting on the median line. So that's fine because there's a horizontal structure support as well, the blue one, located somewhere slightly below 50 cents. It's interesting because 50 cents is not the one that was holding, it's just slightly below. And I'm sure during the structure we're having, a last stop loss is slightly below 50 cents because they go with this psychological trick and it doesn't work. So Cardano, obviously, since like the whole market in a bullish phase right now, that is just temporary. It's a rally and we have already did a lot, guys. So you definitely need to understand the fact that from here to there, it's 23% in 12 days and 4 hours. You only had a retracement that was strong, generated by the whole space, but then we didn't have any downtrend during this whole period. So you need to be very careful with that. It was all just uptrending significantly. Therefore, I'd like to underline a couple of things. Number one will be the way the whole structure has performed. And then we have also supports located right below us. So this is pretty much all, guys. We also have some, opportunities in terms of rewards and trading with 0 fees. Rewards up to 4,550, trading with 0 fees. But make sure to watch this video till the end because I'm going to talk about the coaching as well. So like the video, subscribe, and we get into it. For those of you interested in trading without fees, we have a promotion on Bybit. So in order to participate in this promotion, you definitely must sign up basically from this specific promo or referral code 41060. This is the one you need to sign up from. So you need to create a new account and get under this specific promo, which is dedicated towards 0 fees trading on all pairs. And on top of that, rewards up to $4,550 in a variety of representations, starting from a welcome gift up to deposit blast off up to derivative trading gifts. So up to 4,550. You can get the promo code at scrembocoaching.com/big bonus. It will drive you directly to this page or scrembocoaching.com/0 fees. By the way, all the links are located in the description area or comments area right below the video. So now I'd like to talk for those that are interested in education, for those that are looking forward to having an education portrayed one-to-one directly with me, specifically on their needs, a proper professional work. So let me share with you more information. For those of you that value education and think that the results are generated by hard work, preparation, and a continuous process of learning, make sure to check out watching this video, as this is my one-to-one coaching, which I do out of passion for the ones that are interested in this space of learning how to trade professionally. We do have a one-to-one coaching program where I'll take you from A to Z into the process. It's basically a program that runs between 4 to 6 weeks directly with me. Usually we're doing on Zoom conversations. So basically we have the share screen turned on and I'm teaching you how to trade from the research process until the last stages of the market. So we're actually talking about a comprehensive process. We need an intensive coaching, which is going to have homework for you to do, where we're going to verify the knowledge together, where we're going to perform trading. It's actually explained on our page. We have
3 different stages of the coaching: psychology, technicals, and live trading. We have a whole lot of the things explained on our page. You can find out more information as well. Just watch this video here where I'm explaining how does it work. And you can, by the way, qualify for a free conversation with me of 15 minutes where we can discuss these things. So it's scrembocoaching.com with the page. You can register now. On your email, you're going to find out the offer straight away, and you can reply to that. As well, for those of you looking to join the trades that I perform for myself, if you want to be part of it, we are doing trading through API. So if you think that if you want to be part of the trades that I do for myself as well, feel free to participate. There's no upfront fees. It's just a commission out of the pure profits we make. That's pretty much all. On the left side of the page, you have my trading performance documented since September 2017, and then on the right side of the page you have how does it work. On the top left corner you got our page, scrembocoaching.com/today, and this is where you can have more information. Once again, thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and make sure that you're going to do all the things backed up by the data. This is very important in the trading process. Nothing can be done out of the blue, and it's not because what we want to perform out of nothing. It's most likely we need to do things correctly just because that's how the markets are telling us to do. That's all, folks. See you soon.